Hey, this is Ross with Brothers with Properties. Today we have a toilet that is filling really slowly, so what we're going to do is we're going to show you replacing the top half of a fluid master fill valve. The first thing you're going to want to do is shut off the water to the toilet. And then we're going to come in here from the top and we're going to pull this top part off of the fill valve. There's a little collar underneath that you got to raise up. And once that's raised up, that'll loosen it so you can pull the top off. We use these fluid masters because this top part swaps out real easy. You can tell this one's got some buildup on it. Where we're from here in the Midwest, they get a lot of hard water. It makes these valves not last terribly long. So you got the new one. You're going to slide it right on there like the other one was. And then you put that collar back down to hold it in place. Put your bowl fill hose back into the overflow, like so, and you're good to turn the water back on. Got the water back on now, and you can see that it's filling up like normal.